So hello fellow coin collectors, and today we've got a new package from SD Post, Estonia. So with the actual register thing, it says EE is registered to come from Estonia. And I have no idea what all this says, but this is pretty much standard. So if you get an Australian one, you'll be able to actually find out what it actually says. And then you can learn some Estonian. So, this is from my favourite Estonian, the red sticky tape man. And I forget his name. His name is actually on the return address, but I won't say Kairi, or whatever. I'm not too sure. His handwriting's actually quite nice. I'm not going to show you. And he always uses red sticky tape. So red sticky tape man. If you use black and blue with this, actually no, red's not even part of the national flag. So black, blue, and white. They're the national colours of Estonia. One of the few countries that actually doesn't have red in their flag. What's another country that doesn't have red in their flag? Oh dear. Don't know if I can actually. San Marino, yeah, blue and white. Oh, Germany. Germany has red in their flag. Whatever country doesn't have red in their flag. Oh, see, this is the hard part. Finding a country that actually doesn't have red in its flag. Okay, can we find another one? No, the Congo does. Oh, nah, it's just too bloody hard. So, look, we've got a few nice coins. So, let's pull them out one by one. So, the first one we have is Germany, F mint mark, 1939. So, it's a 10 Reichspfennig. We have two more 10 Reichspfennigs, which these cost about $25 and $10 depending. So we have J and E mint mark. So E's in Saxony. I think J is Hamburg. And what's that? That was F. That might be actually Hamburg. Not Hamburg. I can't remember. Anyway, 39, 38. So yeah, I actually like to collect those. Then, okay, I'll just pause the video, I'll get the coins out so then we can actually have a look. Okay, so we got some 1 Reichsmark, so these are the nickel version. So I got 34 F, 34 A, so it's Berlin, got 37. So the actual 36 is the ones you want to get. As far as I know, 36. Oh, here, it's got a 36 there. 36 is the lower minted ones. And probably some of the 35s. So 36D, I'm not too sure on the mintage, but let's have a look. Okay, so I've got numbers to open. 34. 1934 seems to be quite common. 33 is also pretty scarce. So this is F, 23.5 million. We have A, this is in high grade though. That is 52 million. 37, we have, oh, this one's a little bit damaged. 37 is generally like the 34 high mint. So D, 10 million, 10.5. And 36, which are actually low mint. And this one is D. He has a mintage of 5 million. So it's pretty low mint for these. So that's what you want to get. And these ones also, so these are made out of iron. You can see how it corrodes. This is a free Kopeck issued by the Germans for occupied Russia. So these would have been used in Poland and the Baltic states. And these are actually about probably between $10 and $20 each, even in this condition. Iron actually doesn't preserve well. That's why there's not many coins made out of iron. It's just a really bad metal to actually use to make coins. So, but that's a nice one. Then we have the one Reichsmark. So this one is the silver. It was issued before the actual nickel one. So the nickel one actually replaced it. And you can see this one's A. You can see the actual German eagle. So this is the actual Weimar eagle. And another coin I actually have is the one mark from 1873. This seems to be cleaned. It's still an older version. And it's in pretty good condition. So that's actually nice. That one looks like B. At the time, B was actually Hanover. It wasn't actually the Vienna Mint, which it was replaced. And this is, oh, my nails are a bit dirty. They just come home from work. So there might be a little bit of gunk on it. Should be able to actually get this off. And the 1926A had 35 million. And this has a bullion value of about $2.70. So not really high, but you know. The condition, this is actually in very good condition. Then we have the 1873. So I am actually looking at the mintage figures for these. And this is the actual highest coin issued through Germany with the eagle. Any coins higher, so the 2, 3, 5, 10 and 20 mark were actually issued by the independent states. And that was a trade-off to issue a united coinage. Unlike the later German coins, which are all issued by the central government. So this is what you call a large shield. It has a large shield, so it's either you can call it a large shield or a small eagle, because the one that actually will replace it, I don't think do I have one on the table? Yeah, I do. I've got a few. Oh, here you go. So this is a 25, but this one has a small shield and a large eagle. So that is the difference. I think 1889 was the last one with this. So this is B mint mark. And this one has a mintage of 89,500. So this is actually a very low mint coin. And because it's a low mint coin, 89,000, nearly 100,000, it's actually not as high price as like the 1933 shilling. So that costs about $100. These ones you can pick up for like between $10 and $20. So a pretty low mint coin. I'm glad I've actually got that. Low mint coin, maybe we can, a bit tired, get some excitement into it. And the C1 from this denomination is 18,000. Should be pretty scarce. Anyway, that is the, oops, yeah, just throw it wherever you want. The lowest mint coin I've actually got there. And another one I have is a Poland, so this is a 2 zloty. So this one is 1933, nice coin. I think there's about 20 million of these, so not a rare coin, but it's actually quite nice. And the last thing I actually have are a lot of aluminium 50 Reichspfennigs. So these were issued from 1939 to 44. They would have circulated past that period, but there were no coins actually minted in 1945. The only Reichspfennig coin issued in 45 with the swastika was the 1 in 10 Pfennig. And most, not all mint marks actually have them. So this one, let's have a look at the actual mintage. So I'm just getting Numster up like normal. And the 1939 of these ones are actually pretty much the lowest minted coin. And so this one's 1940. What was the mint mark? B for Berlin. So you see you got B here. So this is B. Can you see the B? You can see the B then just here. So the Hanover. And this is B for Vienna. So two different mints. And this one had a mintage of 10 million. So these are probably worth, depending on grade, probably in this condition, probably about $10. In this condition, probably closer to $20. Also depends on mint. So D from 1939. So this one had a mintage of 600,000. So 600,000 actually would command a price, higher price. So this one's probably about $30 or $40 worth. It's actually in pretty good condition. And the next coin we have is a G. From what date? 1940 G. And that one is about 5.6 million. And lower valued than the 1939. Okay, F mint mark. 1941. So then the mintages actually just start to fall. So F is 5 million, 5.1. So there's a bit of a cut on the actual coin. Then we have another higher grade, F, 1940 F, 6 million. So with these coins, the Berlin mints are actually the higher mint coins. Altogether, provincial mints actually a lower mint. So this is G, this might be, and 43, so 43G, 2.81 million, 2.89 million, so quite a low mint coin. So that one's good. Okay, another 41, D, yeah, 7.2 million. So that's actually in pretty good condition. So the coins you actually want. Okay, here's another D. So 1940. So 1940, 13.8 million. So getting a bit higher. Okay, here's J. 41. 4.1 million. But this one's in pretty not as good condition. But because these are actually all pretty much in demand, so I shouldn't have too much problem selling these if I wanted to, but I really don't want to sell them. They're actually nice. So 39B, 5.5 million. So that's Vienna mint. Okay. 42, 42F. I think F is Stuttgart. Oh, here you go. F is Stuttgart, B Vienna. So then we have D for Munich, J for Hamburg, yeah, another Munich, Vienna, G for Karlsruhe, that's in that's Württemberg, F for Stuttgart, and E is Mulderhütten. I don't think I have any E. Do I have any E's? No. So here's the actual F. This one was 1942F. So 42s are getting on the lower mint. So this is a 5 million. And even the Berlin one from 42 is actually quite low. And here's a 43, 1943. So this is the last year that these are actually minted in any high numbers. And that's B, so that's 8.228 million. And then we got 44, which is only minted in Vienna, Munich, Stuttgart and Karlsruhe. So no Berlin coins from 1944. So that's it. These are actually quite nice. I actually like these coins. I don't like the actual what they represent, but you know, they're actually just coins to me, representing a time in Germany's past when they actually got rid of all their silver from circulation, went on to war footing, so they actually issued base metal coins. Anyway, that is a bit long, and thank you very much for watching. I'll leave a link down below to my eBay, where I'll probably have to resell some of this stuff because I just bought too much, and I just got too much product at the moment. So thank you very much, and have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Let me know what you think about these coins down below. I do like this polished one. Beautiful. Awesome.